All right, let's now walk through creating a new simulation project in Aspen HYSYS. When you launch Aspen HYSYS, the first window that appears is the Start page, where you have a few different options under the Open section. The first tab is called Recent Models. Here, you can quickly reopen any of your previously saved simulations. The second tab is Open from Template. If you click on this tab, you'll see a list of built-in templates provided by Aspen HYSYS. These templates are pre-configured simulation cases for common processes such as distillation, gas dehydration, refrigeration, or compressor systems. They are useful for advanced users who want a head start on building complex models, but for our purposes, we'll be starting from scratch. If you already have an .hsc file saved, you can use Open Case to browse and open your own simulation. Otherwise, to create a completely new simulation from a blank file, click on the New tab, then select Create New Case. HYSYS will now take you into the Properties environment, the first step in building any simulation. In this window, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections, such as component lists, fluid packages, petroleum assays, reactions, and more. For now, we'll only work with the first two, component lists and fluid packages. Later in the course, we'll come back to the reaction section, when we define a combustion reaction of methane as an example. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice the message window showing red warning messages. These warnings mean that we need to define both a fluid package and a component list before we can move forward. You'll also see a red warning icon next to these two sections on the left. Once each section is filled out correctly, this icon will turn into a blue checkmark, which means that that section is complete. Now, let me quickly show you how to make those warnings disappear. We won't dive into the full details just yet. That comes in the next lesson. But for now, here's a quick example. Click on Fluid Packages, then click Add. From the list, select Aspen Steam. Next, go to Component Lists and click View to open the selection window. In the Search for field, type Water. It should appear in the list. Click Add or simply hit Enter to add it, then close the Component List window. You'll notice that both fluid packages and component lists now show blue checkmarks, and the red messages at the bottom are gone. This means our properties setup is complete, and we're ready to move to the simulation environment. If you'd like, you can save your file now by going to File, Save As. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to properly select fluid packages for different types of systems and why that choice actually matters. Let's continue.